Hi, I'm Stephen Pierce. I'm the Director of Student Recruitment here at Patrick Henry College. We're here at the heart of campus in the Barbara Hodel Center, and we would love to welcome you to our Open House Visit Day events. Come see us on a Friday this year. Go to phc.edu/visit to see all about our open house. View the schedule and see how you can be a part of the day in our beautiful chapel worship sessions. Visit with faculty, meet our students, and just have a fun time seeing what the Lord is doing here on our beautiful Northern Virginia campus. We're here in the heart of the peak of Northern Virginia, an hour outside of DC, 10 minutes from the Appalachian Trail. Come see us. We're excited to host you this year. Looking forward to having you.